The failing here is only allowing one person in the cockpit at any one stage. I would either say it's an absolute rule that no matter what is happening, there should always be 2 people in the cockpit, or alternatively, if you do need to leave, then there should be someone else who is trained to fly or has a rudimentary knowledge that can come in and stand in. So there is always occupancy of 2 people. The locked cockpit doors and the strengthened cockpit doors came in as a consequence of 9/11 to prevent unauthorized people, hijackers, getting into the cockpit, taking the aircraft over and using it as an item of mass destruction. So they introduced strengthened doors, locks on doors. There is a keypad which the occupants, the flight crew, would be aware of the right code to put in so they can get back into the cockpit. There would also be part of that process a way in which you could identify to the person inside that you were pressing that under duress. So that would allow the person in the cockpit to push the button to deny opening of the door.